Morning everyone. Going to make a breakfast bake today. Something that we eat during the week. It's very easy to put together. Right now I'm cooking sausage on a medium heat. I don't want it to burn, but I want it to cook through. I'm also using hash browns. And what I'm trying to do is use enough hash browns to fill the bottom of the pan I'm going to use, which is equivalent to about 2 cups of grated hash browns. I'm using a pound of sage sausage, 8 ounces of cheese, a cup and a half of mushrooms, a whole can of olives, about a cup's worth of jalapeno rings, and then we're going to use 18 eggs. I'm going to use some curly parsley, and then over here I'm draining fresh spinach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this down, and when it's cooked down, it'll be a nice topping in the bake. So I'm going to finish this, and we'll be right back. And that one's all done. Put that off to the side. And this is also on a medium heat. I'm going to bake this using the microwave convection oven. I'm going to select bake, manual, the temperature that I want, which is 350, select, then you have to open up the door, close it, and start. And what this does is it preheats the microwave convection oven. I'm using a mastered silicone baking pan. I love this thing. You do not have to, with this, you do not have to put any butter in it, any cooking oil. When you use a regular pan, you want to put just a little bit of butter or cooking oil, Crisco, something to coat the bottom so the hash browns don't stick. So we're going to start with that. We're going to put in our hash browns. Alright, now I'm going to take and put the spinach in the pan. And it's just fresh spinach. I use 1 full bag. You can get it at any grocery store. You can tell it's a little damp right now, but that will cook through. And what we're going to do is put it on a medium heat. We don't want to burn it. We don't want to scorch it. So we're just putting it on medium. I am going to cover it. I'm going to put in my sausage. Okay, now we're going to start adding things to this. Jalapenos, the olives, bella mushrooms. What we're waiting for is the spinach to cook down. I'll mix up the eggs, add the curly parsley, which I need to chop up. Alright, I'm not using the stems, so I'm just going to throw them away. Alright, we'll add that to the top. Let's check on our spinach. Alright, so we can take the lid off now. And it is literally cooked down. Alright, I'm going to turn that off. This is something I do for spinach. I take paper towels and just blot on top to get some of that moisture off. And just do it gently. Then all you have to do is take and add your spinach to the top. You can add any ingredients into this bake. You don't have to do it this way. You can add anything you want. Whatever your family's favorites are. I'm going to put this aside. We're going to be adding 18 eggs. I want it to be able to cover from the bottom to the top. And remember, I said this will last an entire week. This is 8 ounces of cheese. Alright, here comes the fun part. It's covering all of this with the eggs. Now I'm going to try to wiggle some of this in. This is why you need so many eggs, because you have so much in there. Alright, now the only thing left to do is put it in the microwave convection oven. And you push start. We'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 minutes and I'm going to check it. What I'm doing right now is just testing it with my finger on the top of the eggs to see if they're done. If they If there's no liquid coming off the top, you know it's done. So I'm going to take it out. And now all we're going to do is let it cool. This will last in your refrigerator. Just keep it covered. Do not let it sit out. Okay? If you like this video, hit the like button, the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.